Today, we're tackling poached eggs, one of the simplest things you can make, but people constantly try to complicate it. But here, I'm giving you practical kitchen tips for practical food, simple food that you will love, like poached eggs. I have my pot of water with about 1.5 inches of water in it that is coming to a simmer. Not a full rolling boil, but just coming up to a simmer where the bubbles are starting to rise, but not rolling. I'm going to crack the egg and just drop it into the water. I'm doing 2 eggs. Do the same with each. Put my timer on for 3 minutes and wait. You can see that the membrane around the yolk is clouded up. It's been cooking. It's just going to need another just about 60 seconds to go. I have a slotted spoon at the ready and some paper towel to blot my water from my egg as I put it onto my perfectly toasted English muffin. 3 minutes are up. Time to take the poached eggs out with my slotted spoon, blot, place onto the English muffin, blot. There we have our perfectly cooked poached eggs. 3 minutes, that's all it takes. A little coarse salt, a little black pepper, and its deliciousness. Let's cut into them. I love to have the yolk ooze out over my English muffin or my toast. Now, doesn't that look delicious?